Hi guys, we want to discuss about centralized wallet and decentralized wallet to know the difference between these two, whether Binance is for centralized, whether Bybit is for centralized, or a MetaMask, Bidget, whether they are centralized or decentralized. We want to know the process now. A centralized wallet and decentralized wallet. One of the key guide I want to guide us is Google. We want to go to Google to guide us through the definition of a centralized wallet and a decentralized wallet. So, we are going to Google now. We say what the difference, this centralized wallet and decentralized wallet. Say what are the main difference between centralized and decentralized wallet. Centralized wallet, which is the CEX, central users prevent, that is, this control centralized wallet, a control user and prevent private keys and funds acting as a custodian, while decentralized exchange allow user to retain control of their private keys and funds using a not custodian. So we have one what is a custodian and we have another what is a not custodian. That is what they are saying now is that a centralized wallet, they control the keys, that is control user private keys, control user password. That is why you see that in Bybit and Bybit, especially Bybit now, you do KYC, know your customer. You do KYC, know your customer. But in MetaMask, you don't do KYC. The seed phrase or the key phrase they give to you is what you keep. You keep your key phrase. If it's lost, your key phrase get missing, your wallet is gone. That is to tell you that it's decentralized wallet, which is the definition when you say allow user to retain control of their private key and form using not custodian, while the centralized key use custodian. You understand? Using not custodian, while the centralized key use custodian. Let's go over to it. Is Bybit, is Binance wallet control, is Binance wallet centralized or decentralized? Is Binance wallet centralized or decentralized? Let's enter and see. Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are prime example is centralized wallet. They are all centralized wallet. They are all centralized wallet. Say which two wallet is more secure, centralized or decentralized? We now enter and see that decentralized wallet is more secure. The centralized wallet, despite their youth, offer greater security, covenant, and reliability than centralized wallet. Unlike centralized wallet, the centralized wallet do not store private and public key on their server, eliminating the possibility of hacking and fund thief. So leave in the comment section your comment if centralized and decentralized, which is more secure. You can comment in the comment section below based on your work experience. So let's go to, let's see, what is decentralized wallet? We've talked about it. A decentralized wallet is a non-custodian wallet that allow users to store cryptos, token, and interact with DeFi protocol. So is MetaMask centralized or decentralized? Is MetaMask centralized or decentralized? You will now see that decentralized. Final verdict: MetaMask is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user securities and anonymity. Anonymity. You understand? With an easy setup process and support for various Ethereum based tokens and NFT. It offers versatilities and accessibility. MetaMask is a decentralized wallet, and what we say about decentralized wallet, they are those wallets that you control by yourself. Centralized wallet are those wallet, the keys, the passphrase, they control it for you, they store it for you. That is why they need your KYC. They need your KYC. They need you to use all these government ID cards, driving license. That is centralized wallet. You when you open them, they will ask for you to do your KYC. But decentralized wallet, when you open them, you create a phrase which is key phrase for you to keep your key phrase. Once your key phrase got missing, they themselves that produce the app that owns the wallet, they don't have access to it. That is a decentralized wallet, not custodian. But centralized wallet is a custodian. So is trust wallet centralized or decentralized? Trust wallet vision is to become the most trust hub for Web3 experience, setting the standard for trust in the decentralized ecosystem. Trust wallet. Trust trusted by over 100 million people. Trust wallets strive to create a seamless Web3 hub and an open ecosystem that empower individuals worldwide. So Trust Wallet is a decentralized ecosystem. Which decentralized wallet is best? The answer MetaMask has long been a reliable choice for Ethereum user and a DAMP. Ethereum, its MasterCard partnership provide a way to bridge crystals and fiat, applying to those interested in crypto for everyday spending. Now, let's go to this. I see this question here. Is Bitcoin centralized or decentralized? The concept of decentralization is multi-layer and multifaceted. BTC is centralized at the core, a small group of coin BTC developer, because the coin has the power to decide and manipulate the protocol. BTC is also centralized at the user transaction level because there is no true P2P transaction. So it is in two ways. It's in two ways. What are the example of a centralized wallet? Usual interact with a custodian wallet, meaning the exchange is merely responsible for keeping funds secure. Example of popular centralized exchange include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and FTS. Wow, that is great. That is great. That is great. Can a centralized wallet, can a decentralized wallet be traced? Yes. While moving cryptocurrency to a private wallet enhance privacy, transactions can still be traced on the blockchain. That's where it will be traced. Each transaction is recorded publicly, and if an individual or wallet can be linked to your identity, authority can trace transaction once. Authority can trace transaction. What is the main advantage of using a decentralized wallet? With a decentralized wallet, you have a full control over your phone. You hold the private key, which are required to access and manage your cryptocurrency. This eliminates the need to rely on a third party to hold or control your phone, reducing the risk of your assets being froze, confiscated, and mismanaged. So in this short clip, we want to do it as a short clip. In this short clip, if you watch this video, watch this video carefully, you understand centralized wallet and decentralized wallet. You know those wallet that are part. When they say mention a wallet for you, you know that it's centralized and decentralized. Then when you want to open a wallet, once they ask you to keep a key phrase, they ask you to write number 1 to 15, write it accordingly, number 1 2 to 15. You know that this is a what, a decentralized wallet, that your key is your what, your key to your wallet. Then whereby you open a wallet and they ask you to do a KYC, you will know that this is a centralized wallet, that the password you use is your main thing and they control it by themselves. Let's say for example, that is why when you miss your password, you can apply for forget password. From forget password, they will be able to take reset your password. They will be able to tell you that okay, reset your password. So the difference between centralized wallet and decentralized wallet, centralized wallet is that the company control the phone, they hold your private key in a set, in a what, in a server. While decentralized wallet, you are the one that is entitled to your what, to your key, your password, everything. You are the one that is entitled to it. It's very hard for government to trace you if you have a decentralized wallet to keep your, no matter how much you keep there, it's very hard. But for a centralized wallet, it is just like the company, they can just contact the company, the creator, the builders of that a wallet, they to provide. That is what occur in some country whereby they ask to list the name, the user that are what banking of Binance. Say, okay, let's know so that government will be able to access those people. So I believe, leave in the comment section the one you choose and the one you love so much. If you love centralized wallet, leave in the comment section the reason why you love it. And if you are watching me for the very first time, please do well to subscribe so that anytime I place and upload a video, you'll be the first to get it. And my other video, please do well to go to my Play Store and go to my YouTube channel and go to my channel and watch more. There are so many things for you to watch and so many things for you to enjoy. Thank you. All love. See you again.